Welcome back. Slicing is a powerful and frequently used feature in NumPy, allowing you to select and modify subarrays. It works similarly to slicing Python lists, but with the crucial difference we discussed earlier. Slicing a NumPy array creates a view, not a copy. This lecture will cover standard slicing syntax for one-dimensional arrays. 1. Basic slicing syntax. Slicing uses the familiar Python list syntax, start: stop: step. The stop index is always exclusive. In the first example, we select indices 2, 3, and 4. Omitting the start index defaults to 0, and omitting the stop index defaults to the end of the array. Two. Using the step argument. The third argument in the slicing notation determines the step size. Using a step of 2 selects every other element. A common trick is using a step of -1, ::1, which efficiently reverses the entire array. Three. Slicing creates a view. As a final note, remember the critical distinction. Slicing generates a view. If you assign new values to the slice portion, the corresponding elements in the original array are modified because they share the same memory. If you need an independent copy, you must explicitly chain the copy method after the slice, like array start: stop .copy. To summarize, slicing is efficient but requires caution regarding data sharing. Our next lecture 35.09, Multidimensional Arrays. See you there.